Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in my trial version of Home Designer Pro. And the easiest way I know of to do this, you go to this roof plane to find out what the ridge height. I'm going to copy that to the Windows clipboard. Just cancel out of it. I just wanted the value. Now I'm going to take this roof plane and lock, let's see, no, right. We'll lock the fascia top height. And let me explain why I'm going to do that. Well, you said it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't want that fascia top doesn't line up with anything else except its sister, and I'm going to do the same thing to it. So I'm just going to open this roof plane and leave the top plate locked. And we'll change the ridge height to match this roof plane over here. Like that. Very slight change. Do the same thing with this one. You see it alters the pitch a little bit. And now these match, and ridge height wise, these match. So I'm going to go over here and take this little triangle out that you didn't want. Like that. And we'll go ahead and take those. You don't want to leave any unnecessary breaks in a roof plane edge, generally speaking. Okay, and well, these little parts here need to go away. So I'm going to drag that over here and click on the other one and get rid of this extra geometry. And now we'll use the join roofs tool and rejoin those. Like that. So now that this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one all have the same ridge height. And this one's only had its pitch lowered to 7 5/16 in order to do that. And you just tell the carpenter you want a single ridge up here, and he'll know what to do. That's how you do it in Chief, though, or Home Designer Pro, excuse me. The trial version doesn't save, so I can't share this with you, but you should be able to figure this out on your own. Okay, hope it helps. Whether it does or not, have a great day. Thanks.